What's up, two-wheelers? Old man Ronin here. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I thought I'd take you on a little bit of a brewery tour here in around the Newark, Ohio area. We got M's back there in tow. I don't know if you can see her. Iron Lady on the back of the bike here. So enjoy a little bit of the ride, and we'll see you when we get there. I need to get a microphone so I can hear you talking as well in videos. One of those recorders. I'll have to glue it to the back of the helmet or something. I don't know. I was talking to Justin at Bike and Bird, and he was telling me that that's how he does it. He carries it in his pocket. But he's a Dynabro, so or a bagger bro now, so I think he carries it in his vest pocket. But at 90-some degrees, I don't really want to wear a vest. But that way I can hear you guys back there, which the audience cannot right now. I'll translate. Say something, Ems. What was that? I can hear you. I'm going to translate. I can hear you. How about you, Iron Lady? Can you say anything? Like what? See, I translated. So they don't like to be on the radio or the phone. So keep on rolling down the road till we get to the brewery.
few moments later.
Yours is coming.
That's not too bad. Got almost like a shandy.
It's good to have some more while it's cold.
Yeah, try it there.
Good.
I like it.
Nothing better on a hot day than a cool, refreshing beer. I actually got him to cut the sandwich into thirds. Revenge. We'll see how she tastes. Go ahead, get in there. Whatever, I'll take it.
That's mine. I was gonna take the small one. I don't want the big one.
Here, you want this one?
No, no. I was gonna leave that for him. I just wanted to try it.
It's essentially a bite. I'm gonna have to eat with my fingers though.
Oh,
yeah.
My fork, I mean.
Yep.
Look like an animal going after that one.
It's got an egg on it. I really want to come during like ramen night on Thursday night.
Tasty.
It is tasty.
Not bad.
I mean, doesn't be yours because there's an egg on it. It's different.
Well, that was a great beer at 3 Tigers Brewing. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, share, comment. Hey, I love it when you comment. I read all of them and I comment on all your comments. So until next time, make sure you ride safe and keep her on 2 wheels, baby.